Do you know how many operating systems, कितने operating systems हैं out there for your smartphone? Well, there's Android by Google, then there's iOS by Apple, and anything else doesn't matter. देखिए, there are others, but seriously, just forget about them. But which one is actually better? देखिए, those that use iOS या Apple iPhones, they swear by it. They refuse to even look at Android. In fact, they make a lot of fun of Android. Apple के जो fanboys and fangirls हैं ना, they are super tough. फिर है Android army, वो तो हमेशा लड़ाई करने के लिए तैयार होती है. They are invested into that operating system and phones fanatically. They look at a phone, an iPhone, and iOS, and they dismiss it. Too expensive, slow on features. 5 साल पुराना हार्डवेयर है, इसमें कोई नई चीजें नहीं है, इनोवेशन नहीं है, क्या स्पेक्स हैं. ये जो डिबेट हैज बीन गोइंग ऑन नाउ फॉर मेनी years and I've heard it all. ये डिबेट चलती रहती है. Time to set the stage for a final debate because frankly almost everyone misses the real point. हम लोग डिबेट करते हैं ना, iPhones better हैं कि Android phones better हैं. It's not played out actually on your phone. It's not played out anywhere else. It's played out in your mind. It's not a hardware and software game. ये एक psychological consumer game है and that is what we forget. तो अब मैं जो है 2-part video करूँगा. ये debate अब बहुत time से चल रही है. Let's solve it. Starting with number 1, which is the easier operating system or phone to use. देखिए, for first time users बात करते हैं. Remember, not if you've used any of these operating systems or phones for a number of years. First time जैसे आपके हाथ में फोन आता है. iOS जो है gets a bad reputation for being very difficult to understand. क्या है कि in its quest to make everything simple, very beautiful, reduce clutter, sometimes ना ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा complicated हो जाता है. It doesn't need to be this complicated. But I would go as far as to say that every decision जो Apple लेता है to actually make iOS better, easier, has only one main idea और वो है make it idiot proof, standard across everything on the system. Android जो है is quite a different beast. It's easier to use off the bat, but there is no standard at all. देखिए, एक दो brands को छोड़ के everyone else uses their own flavor of Android. So Android on 2 different devices can look completely different. मतलब लगता है completely different. Operating system ही अलग है, usage भी अलग है. Which means you might have to relearn how to do certain things every time you switch to a new phone brand on Android. So this one I'm going to give it to Apple iPhone and iOS. Learn it once and you're more or less done. So pehla point to may have gone to iOS. It loses out a lot though when it comes to things like personalization on your phone. एक wall खड़ी कर देते हैं वो लोग on how to get creative if you really want to on iOS. It's more or less यानी कि Apple way or no way. You learn to adapt to its way and not the other way around. Phone आपकी तरफ adapt नहीं करेगा. Apple जो है काफी restrictive है, garden walled है, more in control of everything, absolute control over hardware, absolute control over software. iOS 14 के साथ थोड़ा सा उन्होंने बदलने की कोशिश की है, कुछ personalization, कुछ customization लेके आए हैं. But still it is nowhere close to how far you can actually run away with Android, which means eventually आप ट्यून कर सकते हैं एंड्रॉयड को to your own taste and get more comfortable as you use it. So purely setting up your phone, customization, using it your own way, and the amount of depth it allows you to go into, easy winner out here. Android is it. अब चलते हैं towards look and feel and user experience. देखिए, both operating systems look great and both are starting to look a lot like each other now. दोनों provide a very good, very smooth user experience. But at the moment, अगर मैं सिर्फ style की बात करूँ, better animation, better overall finish, sophistication जो है, iOS wins, but with a very small margin. एक time पे बहुत फर्क था. Android used to look quite ugly, iOS very good. You can make an Android look better now with skins and different looks, something you can't do in an iOS much. Apple जो है, it's worked a little harder and has polished iOS more than Google. So it's Apple. They take their design and their looks very, very seriously. तो Apple को देते हैं ये point. Now let's move on to apps and their usage. Android wins by sheer size. In terms of the number of apps available, Android के Play Store में बहुत ज़्यादा और apps हैं than the Apple Store. उल्टा होता था एक टाइम पे. And yes, कुछ काफ़ी exclusives होते हैं, usually more exclusive on iOS, जैसे कि Clubhouse एक recent example है. And a lot of very big ones launch first on iOS. But Apple जो है वो बहुत heavy scrutiny में डालता है इन apps को before they allow them on the Apple Store. So eventually there are less apps that make it through. इसका ये मतलब भी है that there are lesser apps that can actually be called garbage or junk apps that can actually compromise your phone and your security and everything else. So that is the good part in this. Android का जो app store is like the wild west. You could end up with gold or a bullet to your head. But the problem isn't very major. इतना फर्क नहीं है दोनों में. So in apps, I'm going to call it even. More apps with Android, slightly better apps with iOS. So both get the point out here. अब चलते हैं एक और ऐप बैटल पे, यानी कि कौन सा ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम जो है एप्स को रन करता है बेटर. एप्स फॉर iOS आर फार मोर ऑप्टिमाइज. एंड्रॉइड जो है केटर्स टू ऑल सॉर्ट ऑफ फोन्स, डिफरेंट साइजेस, स्क्रीन्स, इंप्लीमेंटेशन, डिफरेंट हार्डवेयर है. 5,000 का फोन है, 1.5 लाख का फोन है. सो इट्स अ बिग डिफरेंस बिटवीन देम. दैट्स नॉट द केस एट ऑल विद iOS. फिक्स नंबर ऑफ आईफोन्स हैं, सब में एक पर्टिकुलर टाइप का परफॉर्मेंस है, कंट्रोल्ड हार्डवेयर है. सो इट्स रिलेटिवली ईजियर टू मेक एंड ऑप्टिमाइज एप्स फॉर दैट प्लेटफॉर्म. Apps जो है tend to perform better on iOS and they also look better. मतलब जैसे मैंने कहा ना, standardized है सब कुछ. They are more polished. So this one I'm going to give to iOS. Just a little bit better they run. Now comes something related. Apps that aren't on an app store. Even if you wanted to sidechain the security process implemented by Google in its Play Store, you can. There's no problem. All you need is a .apk file. तो आपके पास बहुत सारे जो है Play Store पे जो चीज़ नहीं है, you can still get. And you can install any app on your Android phone, whichever way you like. That's how Google Gcam has been traveling around. तो काफ़ी apps हैं that are never on Play Store but are still available. But you can't do that with an iPhone. At least not for everyday users जो हैं who don't want to do something like jailbreaking, because I'm not recommending that for anybody. But this trickles down to a privacy and security concern also. You can end up with an app on your Android phone जो कि phishing कर रहा है, malware है, vital data को चोरी कर रहा है. But iOS जो है बहुत tight checks रखता है, so it's kind of hard while not impossible. So hard, like I said. So you have more control and choices with Android, but more security with iOS. So I guess ये आप डिसाइड करिए, what is more important, more choice और more security. तो ये था वीडियो पार्ट 1. iOS और Apple iPhone जो है seems to be winning right now, but remember, this was just part 1. Lots more in part 2. Android can easily pull back. बहुत ही कमाल का सिस्टम है, बहुत कमाल के फ़ोन है. So tell me, the operating system you use and why. One reason why, more than any other reason. Remember, एक थोड़ा सोचिए इसके बारे में कि ऐसा क्या रीज़न है. Price, feature, hardware, something in the operating system. And which one do you think will finally win this war in part 2? Android के iOS, Apple iPhone के Android phones.